Hello everyone, good evening. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can install Grammarly for MS Office for Windows. So before I going to show you, I need to talk about that Grammarly have to have some criteria to install in your Windows. Like for operating system, you have to have Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 or Windows 10. And for Mac computer, you have to have Windows OS parallel for Mac computer. The supported version of Office for Grammarly, it's going to be 2007 through 2019. You can also install Grammarly for your Microsoft Office 365 if you have a subscription. So let's go ahead and click this download button. So you can see it's prompt to the another window where you can see Grammarly for Microsoft Word and Outlook. So go ahead and click this get it for Windows, it's free. So then it's automatically start installation process. After the download, click and go to the folder, downloads folder on your computer, and right click on Grammarly add in setup and click on run as administrator. So now you can see there is an option. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. So then click get started. So you can install Grammarly both for Word and Outlook. So click install. It's taking some time to complete the installation process. So it's saying congratulations, you have installed Grammarly. So click finish. So if the Grammarly is working or not on your computer, you can check from opening the Word. So in the right corner, the top corner, you can see open Grammarly. So click Grammarly. Then if you want to check your document, you need to log into your Grammarly account. Click on log in, then it will going to online or again. Now you can use your email to continue. And if you don't have an email Grammarly account, then you need to create an Grammarly account using this button, don't have an account. Then use your email account and password and sign in option. You have successfully signed in your Grammarly account. So then if you write here, and you can see in the bottom it's checking. So there is an error. It will be I am a graduate student, not I am. So it's correcting my spelling, or yeah. So that's it. I think this video might be helpful for you guys. If you think, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye.